No trial, no justice, no accountability. What happened at your school affects every family across Colorado, and we will not stop until this law is changed.
Community members calling for change. It comes as some in the Arapahoe County area are outraged after learning charges against a suspect accused of trying to kidnap a boy will be dropped.
And it's because of a change in state law that Denver 7 Investigates has been covering in depth.
Investigative reporter Natalie Chuck went to listen to people today who are now sounding the alarm in the wake of this case.
Well, for about a year now, we have been covering this change in Colorado law that is impacting criminal cases when competency is called into question. And now we're seeing all of these people behind me and even more come out here in Arapahoe County to voice their concerns over this change.
No trial, no justice, no accountability.
Accountability is the thing we keep hearing people are looking for.
This is just bringing it home right to me personally, how these laws affect our lives.
Charles Morales lives near Black Forest Hills Elementary School in Aurora. This field is where investigators say last April, Solomon Galligan tried kidnapping a boy during recess. Court records say the 34-year-old suspect is a transgender woman. Last week, parents and neighbors learned the attempted kidnapping case against Galligan will be dropped. Colorado law requires charges be dismissed if a defendant has been found incompetent and not restorable. It's a law that just changed last summer.
Other than the beauty of the state, the politics of this state have just made me think that this may not be the place for me.
Charles says just before the attempted kidnapping, he saw Galligan in his neighborhood. He noticed Galligan acting strangely and stayed to watch for about 5 minutes, but eventually left.
It's a horrible thought that he could have injured he could have taken my granddaughter.
Yeah, it makes you emotional.
Thinking about it, I haven't put that much thought into it. When you ask me this, it just brings out all the emotion.
Charles was one of about a dozen neighbors, parents, local advocates, and politicians standing at the Arapahoe County Justice Center on Wednesday, calling for change.
When we're looking at this law, it needs to be reconsidered.
The judge has to dismiss this case no matter what. So what does it mean to you? If the outcome's going to be the same, why is it important to you that the DA fight to keep this going?
I guess that's what I would do if I was in that position. I wouldn't fold so quickly. I wouldn't roll over so quickly.
Sponsors of the law have said the goal is to prevent people who need mental health treatment from languishing in jails when they might never go to trial. In a statement, the district attorney overseeing this case says in part, even before the defense's motion to dismiss was filed in this case, I was speaking with legislators about proposed reforms to the statute.
Yes, we need to get the law changed, but I'd like to have seen a little more aggressive protection of the citizens in our community.
Now, one thing we do want to make clear is that Galligan is still in custody. When it comes to where this case stands now, the defense did file a motion earlier this week officially asking to dismiss the case. The DA's office has until the 28th to respond. For Denver 7 Investigates, I'm Natalie Chuck.